Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can import rosters in Madden 26 franchise mode. It's pretty easy. First of all, before you do anything, you need to load your files. For that, go to Creation Center. Right here, we need to select the option load/delete files. And you need to go to roster tab by using the RB key or R1 key. Here you will able to see your roster file. So we need to load that. This is my file LLE123. I'll select that and choose the option yes in order to load the file. Once the file is loaded successfully, you can just get back from this. Since we want to import the file in franchise, we're gonna select the franchise. Here select the option create new league at the bottom. Next you need to choose the game mode. You can choose the offline or online, whatever you prefer. I'm going with offline here. Then we need to choose the roster file option, and you can see at the bottom they are importing the roster. Once it is done, you need to choose the team. In my case, I'm going to choose New York Giants. Once we choose that, we need to choose the coach type. I'll choose offensive guru. For instance, I'll just save and exit this on default and gonna choose start playing preseason. Now guys, the franchise is created. In order to see if the file is correct or not, I have created the player by the name of sample XYZ. To see that player, I can go to GM's office and select NFL rosters. Here if I choose LT, I'll able to see that player here by the name of sample XYZ. It means that the file is correct, and that's exactly how you can import roster in Madden 26 franchise mode. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.